Here are the steps on how to do facial cupping. First step is to apply an oil serum on clean skin. Put it on your face, neck, and chest area to lubricate the area. We'll start with a 1 diameter cup. Starting with the upper chest, you want to go open this part up so when we bring the fluid down the neck, it has somewhere to go to. We're going to do this 3 times. Now we're going to target the SCM muscle, so we're going to do a light suction on the 3 points, then slide down on the chest, repeat 3 times. Then we place the cup on the center line of the chin, gliding along the jaw, moving towards the ear, and repeating this motion 3 times. Now switch to the 3/8 diameter cup. Place the cup above the top lip, glide out towards the ear, and we'll do this motion 3 times. Now if there's a fine line along the lips, let the cup sit there for 5 seconds to increase circulation to the area in order to minimize fine lines. Now return to the 1-inch diameter cup, go to your clavicle and glide outward, working up the neck toward the underside of the ear, repeating this motion 3 times. Switch to the 3/8 diameter cup, begin under the inside corner of your eye, slowly glide towards the outside edge of the eye and do a circle motion at the outer corner. Then, beginning just under the inside corner of the eye, glide slowly across the top of the eye, just under the brow, moving towards the outside edge of the eye, and then do a circle motion. Then leave the cup suction between the eyes for 5 seconds before gliding up towards the hairline. Return to the 1-inch diameter cup, beginning in the center of the forehead, directly above the brow. Glide towards the temple and go down just above the ear. And then beginning in the center of the forehead, halfway from the brow, glide towards the temple and down to just above the ear. And now beginning in the center of the forehead, just below the hairline, glide towards the temple and down to just above the ear. Return to the clavicle a final time, glide outwards, working up the neck towards the underside of the ear, and repeat 3 times. Repeat all the steps on the other side of the face. I usually do my facial cupping at night, and I end my treatment by putting a sleeping mask and an eye cream. Too much cupping can overstimulate the skin, causing a negative effect, so you can get it done once a week or every few months, depending on your lifestyle. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified once a new video is up. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I'll see you next time. Keep safe, everyone.